For years, engineers toiled with how to build a robot that walked just like a human. Now, a Carleton University professor and his students are toiling with the opposite problem: how to design robots that will teach humans how to walk. Ashley Burke reports.
These robots are made for walking.
When you picture the results and you want to get there, you get really passionate about it.
This engineering professor is taking a year off from teaching to build robots with the students. But not just any robots, these could help patients relearn to walk after a stroke or accident.
The process is not a very easy process, and you need always people to be around you to be able to regain your abilities.
They're called robots for rehab. It starts with this, a device for patients who can't even get out of bed. When it's eventually powered up, it teaches the basic motion of walking.
This is great to help with therapists who spend a lot of time and a lot of physical effort trying to help the person move the correct way.
Then this walker, wired up with motors and sensors, helps a person take their first steps.
In normal process of physiotherapy, we need two physiotherapists to watch the person not to fall.
With this, patients can focus on their footwork alone, freeing up physiotherapists to help other patients. Ahmadi says there isn't enough long-term therapy to go around. He knows from personal experience.
I lost my grandfather to stroke, and he was 2 years at home, almost like a paralyzed person, where good rehabilitation could have saved him from that.
For Ahmadi's students, it's an opportunity for their thesis work to come alive.
A great chance for me to work on a technical problem and just my ideas run wild to try and solve it however I think is best to solve it.
For this group, the dream is to create a robot that's compact and low cost, so patients can actually bring it home from hospitals and clinics and continue the rehabilitation. Ashley Burke, CBC News, Ottawa.